Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Gaggia Classic Espresso machine. It comes to us with a clogged group head. And when I test the machine, I also found the steam valve broken and it keeps leaking. As you see, there is a drops coming out from here. And even when you turn on the steamers, keep like leaking some steam slowly. And the machine needs a tune-up and unclog the group head. So the customer decided even to, I think he wanna replace the steam valve by himself, and he just asked us to unclog the machine. So I did, and I descaled it twice after I flushed it, and I also unclogged it and deep cleaned the group head, and I replaced the group head gasket. This is the old one, the rest of it actually. It's really broken and hard. So let's go ahead and test it and make an espresso shot on it. I don't know, this is double basket. And yeah, the machine comes with this broken portafilter. As you see, the signs of glue still here, was glued before. And so yeah, let's go ahead and test it. I didn't calibrate the grinder with this machine, but I just want to show that it works. Here you go. It's not bad shot, even it's just testing coffee, testing beans. That works well. Thank you for watching.